whatever your dream is, syempre, everyone's gonna tell you to work hard, to be disciplined, to listen to your parents, di ba? Don't do drugs. Yung mga yan, basic na yan. That's the type of things everyone tells you. But for me, what I credit my success to, being able to achieve my dreams, I owe it all to God talaga. As in, I remember when I was your age, tinanong ako ng mga teachers ko, what do you want to be when you grow up? And usually, mga kids, their first response is, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a teacher, a fireman, or ako yung sagot ko, I want to be a professional basketball player. Ever since, yun lang talaga yung gusto ko gawin sa buhay ko. And thankfully, na-answer yung mga prayers ko. Even though during that time na I was your age, parang wala pa akong ganun, hindi, yung knowledge ko kay God wasn't really very biblical. All I know is there's a God, and there's a God that answers your prayers. And looking back, He answered all of my prayers that I'm gonna ask Him. So all you gotta do is put your faith in God, pray, and live your life for Him. And I think this is the perfect place to do that. This basketball and the basketball ministry na ginagawa nila dito is really good. Kasi basketball and life they go hand in hand. Basketball, if you don't put in the work, nothing's gonna happen. If you just say, I want to become a basketball player, but you're not in the gym, you're not putting in the hours, you're not working on your game, you're not getting up extra shots. No matter how much you say you want to become a basketball player, if you don't put in the work, nothing's gonna happen. And that goes the same thing in doing your best trying to get those grades and pay attention in class. You're not gonna become a doctor. So put in the work, make sure your faith is just as strong. Yung totoo lang yung basketball yan. Wrestling yan eh. Pag yan ang gusto mong gawin, mag-boxing na lang kayo. Kasi social media is very toxic, guys. Everything you see on social media, that's not real life. That's just for entertainment. So don't take it so serious. Places like this, CCF, biblical, God-based places is where you want to be. This is where you want to put your effort and your faith in. Things like this. This will grow your faith. All right? So, thank you for the opportunity for talking.
Good evening sa inyo. We are blessed to be here. Of course, on behalf of yung PBA Moto Club namin, this is what we also do. We want to encourage yung mga kagaya nyo na to play basketball kasi lahat naman tayo, sino yung gusto dito maging PBA player? Taas kamay. Alright? Sino gusto maging pro basketball player? Diba? Yan naman yung dream natin, diba? Kasi naglalaro ka na ng basketball, siniswertuhan ka pa. So yun yung mga naging trabaho namin nila Idol JJ Helterbrand, MVP ng PBA. Tapos Jerwin Gaco, 5 times champion sa PBA. So gusto namin i-share kung paano namin naabot yung dream namin na pwede nyo rin maging dream. Diba? So, for me, basketball, sobrang laki ng tulong sa akin kasi parang naging job description ko na. Which is pwede rin maging job description nyo. And napaka-privilege na may mga ganitong program sa CCF kasi imagine nyo, nabibigyan na kayo ng advice on how to be successful in life tapos nakakapag-basketball pa kayo for free. Nung panahon namin, walang ganito. So, dapat, for me, mas mataas yung chance nyo maging pro kasi may facilities kayo na ganito. Kasi nung naglalaro ako sa lupa. Tapos, yung court namin, hindi pa fiberglass, kahon lang. So, mas maganda yung facility nyo. So, dapat mas mataas yung chance nyo maging successful sa basketball. Dapat, mas gagaling kayo. Alright? So, again, don't forget to pray din every time you play basketball kasi maganda yung may guidance kayo ni Lord. Diba? So, andito si JJ Helterbrand. Mag-share siya ng konting inspiration for you guys para makuhanan nyo ng inspiration growing up and playing basketball. So, palakpakan natin JJ Helterbrand.
I was Ginebra or nasa kamay niyo kung Ginebra kayo? Rain or shine? I'm a Sirigo. Those who want to succeed in anything.
Diba? Basta wag niyo lang kalilimutan si God. Okay? Thank you so much. Good evening.
Clap your hands. Pwede mo.